So today I'm going to show you, well, this is actually going to be our, well, second tutorial on how to program a game in Love. We're going to go, first we're going to open VS Code, open main.lua, but for me, it just already opens, and it opens automatically. So we are first going to, after that we are going to make a background. Last thing we do is just make the player rotate. The player rotate. Press a key. Alright, so that's what we're gonna do today, so let's get right into it. What was that? Oh, sorry, a car just beeped out. Just a car just beeped out of my window. Car just smashed its horn outside my. Let's get right into it. As you can see, I already have it open because Visual Studio Code already opens it for me. So first, when we load our game, we need to make sure that the movement stays the same for every single system. So imagine your computer is blazing fast, and as soon as you press the arrow key, it just goes right off the screen. So this one you're going to want to type DT, which is delta time. So basically, it's going to make every single thing equal the same amount of frames it takes on, like, so it's going to make the movement the same for every single computer. So like if your computer is blazing fast, it would still move like this. Oh right, you might have noticed the number 1 I forgot to change that. We're gonna go number 2 today. Alright, so first we gotta see what is the screen size of Love. So for that, we're going to actually need to go on the intranet. If you didn't know, this is what Love is. It's a framework you can use to make 2D games in Lua if you're new here. So let's go ahead and do so I don't think it lists it anywhere, so we're gonna have to actually set it ourselves. So before we do anything, we're gonna go love.window.set mode to 800 by 600 basically. Let's test it out. Oh, there it goes. So the so the original resolution is 800 by 600, but for me I'm going to set it to 1920 by 1080, which will set it to full screen completely. I'm going to set it on full screen. Alright, that's good. Let's increase the player speed just a teeny bit more. By 5. Yeah, that's better. Alright, so so let's get back to the main focus of this video. Well, now that we know that it should be 800 by 600, now that we know the window should be 800 by 600 normally, let's go back onto our web browser. Well, for me, I use Piskel, but you can use Piskel, whatever you want to call it. I'll just make my background like this. Speedrun. Yeah, it's a piece of poop. It's a piece of poop, okay? My artistic skills are not very good. So, do one more. 3 more. You know what? So let's go. Just do some random Scrabbles and Scribbles. Yeah, this one's not good enough. But yeah. Just do some random Scrabbles and Scribbles. Now, we are going to we're going to take off resize canvas content and we're going to make it 800. Take out the maintain aspect ratio and make it 800 by 600. That's a big one. Basically going to need to select the whole thing. Control C. Move it. So maybe we need, yeah, I'll just resize. I'll just make it 32 by 30. Ew. 32 by 32. Bang. That's our old one. I'm just gonna make it 800 by 600. 800 by 600. Right. I forgot to do resize canvas content. Bang. I know it's stretched, but yes, and I also know that it's pretty poop. That it's a piece of poop. I know that it's a piece of poop, okay? Or actually, yeah, we'll just resize it to 100 by 100. I'm gonna keep it square. 100 by 75. Which makes it even trashier. Yes, I will resize canvas content, but boop doop. Doop boop. Yes, I'm basically done with this one now. All we need is to place a bunch of it. You know what? let's make it 800 by 800. The entire thing is going to be 800 by 800. Now we're going to go into sprites. I'm going to name it background.png. As you can see, if we go into VS Code right here, we have a background.png. Oh, wow, that's big. But yeah, we have a background.png now. So instead of 800 by 600, we're going 800 by 800. It works. It's big, but it'll do. Yeah, after this, we're gonna go ahead and do background equals love. Like this, like our player, we're gonna go love.graphics.new image sprites, but instead of player.png, we're gonna go background.png. And we're gonna go love.graphics.draw background 0 0 0 0. So it's gonna do it in the middle of the screen, basically. Now, as you can see, there's our ground with people tiny with our stupid. There's our stupid piece of poof. Maybe 800 by 600 makes it better. Nope, no. I think we need to tweak it a bit just so that I can fit it in. 20, 20. Oh no, that just makes it go even more down. So we're going minus 20. Trying to put it on a perfect coordinate here, just so that I can fill up the entire screen. Yes, and I do know my pixel art isn't that good, but yeah, it is. I just don't want to draw very sophisticated drawings. Negative 40, maybe 50. Yeah, that's perfect. But as you can see, when we open our project one more time, we can see that our player is gone. And what's actually happening is it's getting drawn over it. So it's getting drawn over it. Like over so the background is getting drawn over the player. So if you want to fix that, all you got to do is go love graphics draw and copy the background, but instead put it on top of the player.sprite there. Now go Alt L, and you'll see our player is on top of the background now. Yay! Now that we successfully have a background, now all we need to do is make it rotate. Make the player rotate whenever we need to basically just rotate it when it moves. First though, I'm not really new to moving it like this, so I may just go. Oh, so it goes love their graphics.rotate 180 for 90 or no 180. Let's see, maybe 180 works. Please just don't throw an error. Yup. It does not work. Hold on. And we need to go player.rotate. Yeah, I'm basically stuck. So the rotation part is not going to work, but all we're just gonna do today is make a background. You know what? Maybe make a better player too. Like, I always thought that that player was a piece of poop, too. Grab, so we're gonna resize it back to 32. 32, grab the whole thing, delete it. Just for a demo, we're gonna make it later. We're gonna make our good one later, a better one later. But for now, I'll just do my Toy Soldiers Combat Arena, like the one I showed you in a community post. I'll put on the player. And yes, I know he doesn't have a gun. Trust me. I'm gonna fix that. 512 from 512 by 512. Back to 32 by 32. We are going to... Oh yeah, that was selecting. We have to go... Yeah, that was basically the gun before. Now we're gonna resize it to 128 by 128. It's good. Go here. Now we're gonna do player.png. Save. Now, instead of this, now instead of that puny circle, we have... Hey! Because if you want to see the gun, though, you're gonna have to hover over this. Yes, it is about toy soldiers. It's just a demo, though. Don't worry. So yeah, that was basically what we're gonna do today. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye. Oh, wrong one.